Good morning, this is Larry McAllister with LJB Restoration Consulting and Construction. Today we're visiting you from the rooftop of Reflection Bay, here located on Lake Arlington, a beautiful property. The property was hit with large hail. LJB was hired to come in and do the forensic investigations, come up with the game plan, and actually work hand in hand with the insurance company and coming with a viable solution for the problems that they had. New drainage systems were designed and delivered on time and on budget.
We just need somebody that would, give us the direction and the engineering expertise that we needed. We found other contractors that could do it, could put a roof on, but really when you ask them questions, well, how are we going to get the water off the roof? How's this going to happen? How's that? Like you put on a new drainage system, they really didn't have that expertise. We had been told in the past you can just cover it up and don't worry about it, and that's not the case at all. And we needed somebody that would, be able to discuss it with the insurance company. LJB's been more than satisfactory helping us and getting the job done.
LJB prides themselves in having the best engineers, the best consultants, and the best registered roof observers in the business. We've worked with several school districts as well as many municipalities. All in all, we would like to just explain to you the construction management process, let you know that LJB can service all of your needs. We certainly hope that LJB can be entertained in this bid process as you're considering your new project.